You don't know what I've been through. Don't judge me.
Woke up this morning, somebody broke my window. They didn't take anything, but they sure did break it. Now I wonder who the heck did this. That's mad disrespect. Hey, what's up, fam? So just recently, last night, some person broke my passenger window. And I got this big old mess I had to clean up. Got it all over the place. Inside, all the way towards my side. I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of see there. So all that, I'm guessing they might have hit it with a bat or something, because they completely just shattered it through and through. Some of it was left, but I broke it off. And it was last night, so we're not sure who did it. And they didn't take nothing out of the car though, which was kind of weird if it was considered somebody try to steal or anything out of my ride. But let me show you guys the rest of the stuff out towards the road where I parked my car. Let's see, so I parked it out towards this way. I always park my car out this way, so I'm guessing they were just riding by and decided to use my car as a victim. So, but I don't know if you guys can see, there's just a little bit there, all through here, just small bits and pieces of glass from my car. So that happened. So I'm gonna pretty much either just replace the window or buy a new door, which is a whole lot cheaper. It's actually coming out to like $100 cheaper versus buying a whole window and getting it installed. So I think we're gonna run with a window. So stay tuned for my new door, and it's gonna be a different color, you guys. So y'all gonna check it out. Hopefully I can get it soon. I'm gonna post it up. I'm gonna see what it looks like. Broski's helping me out clean it. Still got some stuck inside here, but the door will be replaced, so no worries. Damn, that's a lot. All of my Type R seats. That's just messed up. Not even cool, yo. Alright, fam, day 2 of possibly getting this door, because window broken, but it's way cheaper to get a whole door versus just getting a window. You save about $100. So hopefully I can get me one of these doors today. Should be going out towards Union City, and we get this show on the road. So let me turn on the car. At least I got this window, I guess, you know. That one still works. Obviously not putting that one up, because that one don't work. But about to head there now. Hopefully that door is in good condition. So it's pretty cheap, and hopefully it's in great condition so we can put it on sometime soon and have a window for it. So stay tuned for it. What's up, fam? It's your boy DC Tube here, Big Vic. So we out here day 3. We finally got the door yesterday. It's in pretty decent condition, actually. You know, all we got to do is put the paneling that's on this one. We're gonna put this one onto that, and then we're gonna take off the fender and such so we can get through this door. We're gonna take off this door and then put that door so I can have a window, and if it ever rains, the inside of the car won't get wet. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so we're gonna take these off, hopefully. We're gonna take the fender off first. Taking this fender off so you can get a better view of the hinges. Be able to take those off a lot easier.
Alright, got those off. Yeah, these are there.
Alright, there's that. Now I need a screwdriver. Get a screwdriver so we can get this bottom bolt off.
Yeah, I think it's the bottom bolt is connecting these two right now. That's alright.
Isn't it? Yeah, it's right here. Alright. So we get this real quick. You guys probably can't see it, but I'll take this bolt off, or screw, my bad. If I'm not mistaken, that's the only thing holding this fender to my. Alright, so if you had mud flaps, you want to turn the wheel to the right so you can get space up in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's that. So got that off. I've got to get this bolt right here if you guys can see that. If not, I'm sorry. You always want to be careful if you're trying to, on this paint, it's so close. But it's gonna get repainted, I'm not too worried about it. Just get it out enough, we can get out by hand. Alright, so there's that one. Where'd y'all put all the other ones at?
Which ones?
All the ones that go to the actual.
Right here.
Alright, so there's that one. So we almost got it. Should be like one or two more bolts. So we gotta take this side skirt off. Mine should be easy, hopefully. Alright, so it turns out this thing actually still has clips at the bottom of the side skirt. So we're gonna be a minute taking these suckers off, because I gotta pry them out because they don't want to get out. So I'm gonna be prying these all out. So in a few minutes, hopefully I have them out. Alright fam, finally got this dang side skirt off, so I can get to these bolts, last two bolts for the fender. Pain in the butt, but we got it. Now we're in business. Alright, there we go. Success. Fender is off pretty much, just connected to this one bolt that I missed. What size are these? I know it is 12, look at that. So 12.
Got that one.
But I'm gonna get this pin out first actually. You pull it up just a little bit. Alright, open it all the way out. Hold it up. Alright, so that pin is out. Alright, so we got it fam. This thing was being a pain in the butt. I guess I wasn't placing my hand in the right position to get this clip off, but it's officially off. So the fender's on the side. Everything's completely off right there. Then we're just gonna take this off right here and then apply it to this one so we can throw this one on. I'm probably gonna take these hinges off to put on with these on because they're a little more of my color still. So we're gonna take those hinges, put it on those, and we're gonna rock it. So that'll happen in just a few minutes. We're gonna take some stuff off. Let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna take off this here so we can put it onto the other one. Little broski helped me out. He's trying to learn. All right. Hold it. All right, so there goes this panel.
Oh, crap.
This is trash. I don't know why this is even here. This got to be taken off. So there's that. So that's done. There's all the glass inside of there. If you guys can see it, it's crazy. It's done for. And then later on, I'll be changing these locks for that one. But that'll be until way later on. Trying to get how to do it. So when I do it, shouldn't be no biggie. But for now, we're just gonna keep it without that lock, and we're gonna keep this door. So now let's go ahead and go to the other door. Oh, actually, we gotta remove this here. Alright, so we're gonna take these off now for the review mirror. If I can get it on here right. Boom, son, got him. Alright, so that's done. You can lay it down. Alright. Next door. Alright, so this one actually has a window, so let's get started on this one. There we go. Alright. Alright, so we got the hinges off and put onto this one. Since the color is going to match a whole lot better, so just for my little bit of OCD-ness, it's going to help. Perfect. I'll put the door on. Wait. Alright. Turn that way. Let's lay it down for right now. Let's figure this out. See how we're gonna make this play. Gotta make sure these are same connections. Alright, so they look about the same. So we're gonna have to attach this to that.
Probably attach the thing first.
What?
The little thing.
Attach the pin. Alright, fam, so we got the door on. Most of it, at least. Get them babies down pat. I'm gonna go ahead and put that pin in.
What pin?
The pin that belongs right here. Well, fam, after a while, some hard work, the door is in. It's good to go. But turns out the main connection that connects right here for the power of the window and the locking, all that good stuff, and the sound, turns out it is a wrong connection. They do not connect, so means I probably have to get either somehow transfer the stuff from the other one to this one, or get a new door, some sort like that. I don't even know. I'm just done with it. A long process just to get one door on this bad boy, and I still having to get my little mud flap on, side skirts on, all that good stuff is on. That's on, the mirror's on, but don't recommend getting a new door. It's a pain in the butt. But it's a good process, good moment to learn on how to do things on my ride. So I learned something new. Got to get a different connection, possibly a different door. But hey, I got a window now though, so hey, that's what's up. That was the main part of it. But shoo, we catch you guys on the flip. Thank you guys for watching. Keep in touch for more. Turn on notifications, subscribe, and thank you so much. Peace out.
I ain't perfect, but I'm working. I ain't perfect.